Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 Coupe 4MATIC. This one is obsidian black metallic. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports interior and exterior look. 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A diamond style grille up front. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Set of new floor mats, all season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. And then we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 44,787 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.